In this video, you will learn how to replace your website's navigation menu. In Xara, the navigation menu is automatically created when starting a website from scratch or selecting a template. To replace the menu, go to the Design Gallery, then to Components, Print and Web Components, and finally to Navigation Bars. There are many menu styles to choose from. From the available list, drag a new menu onto the existing menu in the project. Notice that the icon has slightly changed its appearance. This means that the menu will be replaced. Only the appearance of the menu changes, while all links to existing pages remain the same. You can adjust your navigation menu as usual, for example, by changing its size. Click Preview to see the final result in your browser and the mobile variant result. Watch our next video and learn how to customize your navigation menu.